Hey guys, this is Jeremy with Team ELEY 419. I've got my Rimfire trainer out today. I've got a couple rounds of ELEY ammo left over, and I've got a target identified as target 2 downrange, and it's ranged at 469 yards. So the Kestrel's calling for 22 mils of total elevation to impact that target. So I've got 18 total mils of travel in the scope, so I'm going to dial to 18, and I'm going to hold an additional 4 to 5 mils somewhere in there. And I'm also going to dial in about 4 mils of left windage to get out there. So let's see if we can do it. I got about 5 rounds left. So that was just over the top right shoulder, just right of the head, I think. That was an impact. So I'm holding just off the left edge of the target. I'm holding about 4.5 mils of additional. Try it again. Just slightly low. Just underneath it, maybe half a mil, so I'm going to come up a little bit. And relatively full wind, a little bit more left. About 4.5 mils of left windage is what I got right now, and I'm holding about 4.5 mils in addition to the 18 mils. So let's try it again. That was another impact, and we're all out. So that was 5 shots. Got some pretty good impacts using the ELEY ammo, 469 yards. Not too bad. Thanks a lot, guys.